Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you Bhoplyache Gharge or sweet pumpkin puris recipe. These are very easy to make and can be a great snack item or a kid's lunchbox item. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here 2 cups of grated pumpkin, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of wheat flour and 1 cup of grated jaggery. For some seasoning I'm using nutmeg powder, some cardamom powder, these two give nice flavor to any sweet recipe, some oil, about 2 to 3 teaspoons, and half a teaspoon of salt. Put the flame to medium high and add about 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee in the pan. As it melts, add in the grated pumpkin. So just drop all of that in and start sauteing it. Saute it for about a minute or so. Cover and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. I have turned the flame to low. After 5 minutes, notice that the pumpkin has become a little mushy, so give it a quick stir, kind of breaking if any big lumps are there. Add in the jaggery and some nutmeg powder. Mix it really well. I have turned the flame back to medium. So you'll start noticing that the jaggery starts to melt pretty fast. So just keep stirring like that, breaking any big lumps. And the mixture has kind of become a little watery. Now we'll cover and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open and give it a quick stir. Notice that the jaggery and pumpkin have really come together and our mixture is ready. Go ahead and switch off the flame. Take a white plate that you can use to knead the dough. So in the plate, take all of that pumpkin and jaggery mixture and kind of spread it like that so that it kind of cools down a bit. Add in the rice flour, add in the wheat flour, about 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to make a nice medium soft dough. We don't need to add any water while mixing this. So just with the watery mixture of pumpkin and jaggery, this should all come together and you should have a nice soft dough. Just add in some oil. Here is our dough ready. We are going to let it rest for about 30 minutes. To make the gharge or the puri, here I have taken a Ziploc bag and I have cut it on 3 sides. So it creates an opening like this and we are going to roll the puris in this plastic bag. I'm adding a drop of oil so that our puris don't stick to this plastic base. Take a ball as much as the size of a small lemon and then again just add 1 drop of oil on top as well. Cover it and now the ball is between the 2 plastic covers. With the help of a roller, just very gently roll it to make it as the size of a puri. So the gharges are usually a little thicker than a regular puri. So very gently just keep rolling like that. And you should have medium thick puri ready. I have already kept oil for heating up and it's pretty hot now. I've checked it by adding a small dough piece in there. So let's go ahead and drop our rolled gharge. Notice that it immediately kind of starts to fry really well. So just turning on the sides like that, it will start to puff up. Flip it and cook on this side a few seconds and just turn it again and it's ready. Take it out in a plate. While frying any sweet item, always keep your flame on a medium, low or medium, because if you fry it on a high flame, there are chances that your item can turn black pretty fast. So I have fried all these puris on a medium-low flame. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.